How to use Anayo Baby Hip Seat. It is recommended for a baby from about 6 to 48 months old. Checkpoint. Check the logo GOOSEKET placed on the front. You can wear it on either the left or right side. Fasten the webbing strap for safety reasons. Loosen the strap by pulling up the buckle and pulling the hip pad downward. Pull down the front webbing strap to adjust the hip pad to fit your body. Refer to the size markings on the back. It helps different users to remember their comfortable strap length when they put it on. How to use. Take Anayo under the child's legs when you're holding your baby up. Put it over the child's head when your child is standing. Place the hip pad first in the middle of the child's bottom and thighs, and adjust the webbing strap. For your child's hip development, maintain the child's legs M-shaped when you hold them. The shoulder pad onto your shoulder, your child above your hip, your child close to you. Put down your child by unbuckling it, still holding your child's bottom, or by loosening the strap. Anayo weighs 0.5 pounds and supports up to 44 pounds. Compact and light. Enjoy GOOSEKET.